Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change a battery on a John Deere tractor and wash it again, and I'll show you how to save money.
This battery is a 2016. Doesn't hold a charge anymore, so I'm going to change it. So 10mm wrenches. So take this bolt out, and all you do is take the other bolt out. I've seen these rust pretty bad. Sometimes you're just gonna snap them off and buy new bolts. Wires out of the way and lift up on it. Grab your two hands on the side, lift her out. And that's a good time to clean the crap out of there. Look at all the grass back here. And we'll compress there. I expect if this is all rusty and corroded or something, just take it apart. Take the 8mm wrench, this comes out, put a little bit of paint on it, put it back in. New battery here. I find that the cheapest one is right from the John Deere dealer. It's like $55 or $60 Canadian. Now I put my positive lead on here. I always put the positive first because if I touch ground anywhere, it won't short out because there's nothing hooked up to the negative. Just a little safety tip. Yeah, that's snug it pretty good. Now put your negative lead on. Now it don't matter if you touch ground anywhere because this is in the ground anyway, so it won't spark and scare the crap out of you. Alright, take the bolt. Brake on. Works good.
So I'll save you a little bit of money in a trip. Take your old battery out and bring it to your Napa store or whatever, O'Reilly's, or I go to John Deere dealerships and they're a little cheaper. And then you'll get your core chart of like, I don't know, $5 or $8. So it'll save you a trip to bring back the old one. Alright, if you like this video, press thumbs up below, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.